How safe is Relay Bank? If you are a small business owner, startup founder, or freelancer looking for a modern business banking solution, safety is probably your first concern before opening an account. In this video, I will walk you through how safe Relay really is, how it protects your money, and whether it is a smart choice for your business. First, let us clear up a common misunderstanding. Relay is not a traditional bank. Relay is a financial technology company that provides business banking services through FDIC-insured partner banks. This structure is similar to what you see with platforms like Mercury or Brex. What matters most here is where your money is actually held. Relay works with FDIC-insured partner banks, which means eligible deposits are insured up to $250,000 per depositor, per bank, in line with standard FDIC rules. In simple terms, if Relay or its partner bank were to fail, your insured funds would still be protected by the FDIC. This is one of the strongest safety guarantees available in the U.S. banking system. Now let us talk about account security. Relay uses bank-level encryption to protect your data, both when it is stored and when it is transmitted. This means sensitive information such as login credentials and transaction data is encrypted and not readable by unauthorized parties. Relay also supports two-factor authentication, which adds an extra layer of protection by requiring a second verification step when you log in. Another important safety feature is role-based access. Relay is designed specifically for businesses with teams. You can give accountants, bookkeepers, or employees access to the account without sharing your main login details. Each user can be assigned specific permissions, reducing the risk of fraud or accidental misuse. Fraud monitoring is another key area. Relay actively monitors transactions for suspicious activity. If something unusual happens, such as an unexpected large transfer or login from a new location, the system can flag it and prompt additional verification. This kind of proactive monitoring is essential for business accounts that handle frequent payments. You might also be wondering whether Relay can suddenly freeze your money or shut down your account. Like any regulated financial platform, Relay must comply with U.S. banking laws, including anti-money laundering and Know Your Customer regulations. This means accounts can be restricted if there is suspected illegal activity or missing verification. However, this is not unique to Relay and applies to traditional banks as well. For legitimate businesses with proper documentation, this is rarely an issue. Let us look at Relay's track record and reputation. Relay is widely used by small businesses, agencies, e-commerce sellers, and startups across the U.S. It is particularly popular with businesses that want clear separation of funds, since Relay allows you to create multiple checking accounts at no extra cost. From a safety perspective, this is actually a benefit. You can isolate taxes, payroll, and operating expenses into separate accounts, reducing the risk of overspending or errors. Another question people ask is whether Relay is safe compared to traditional banks like Chase or Bank of America. Traditional banks have physical branches and long histories, which some people find reassuring. Relay, on the other hand, is fully online but built on top of the same regulated banking infrastructure. In terms of deposit insurance and security standards, Relay meets the same core requirements. Where Relay really stands out is transparency. You can clearly see balances, transactions, and account activity in real time. This visibility helps business owners quickly spot anything unusual, which is an underrated but important aspect of financial safety. It is also worth mentioning what Relay does not do. Relay does not offer personal banking, loans, or risky investment products. It focuses on core business banking features like checking accounts, debit cards, bill pay, and integrations with accounting tools. This narrower focus reduces complexity and risk compared to platforms that try to do everything at once. So who should use Relay? Relay is best suited for US-based small businesses, startups, and freelancers who want a clean, secure, and easy-to-manage business banking setup. If you value FDIC insurance, strong account controls, and modern security features, Relay checks those boxes. However, if you need in-branch banking, cash deposits, or complex lending products, a traditional bank may still be a better fit. Safety is not just about protection from failure, but also about how well a platform fits your business needs. To sum it up, Relay is a safe business banking platform for eligible U.S. businesses. Your deposits are FDIC insured through partner banks, your data is protected with strong security measures, and the platform is built specifically to reduce common business banking risks. Like any financial decision, you should review your own needs, but from a safety standpoint, Relay is a solid and trustworthy option. If you are considering opening a Relay business account and want a modern, secure way to manage your company finances, Relay is definitely worth serious consideration.